I want to ask you to please subscribe, hit the bell button, and comment. Yeah. Hi people, it's Nettie again. Okay. Now to finish off with the corianders, you know, 'cause I got a lot of plants, like the one you see right there. This is high, and first of all, it is a tropical plant. You already know that, because I always say it. But I didn't know is that it's high in calcium, iron, carotene, and riboflavin. I think riboflavin. Yeah, I said it right. Okay. It's also, they use it for medication, as a medicine. Okay. Like for instance, they take the root of the plant, and they also take the leaves. They boil it, and they give it out as tea. For, let's say you have a cold, you have fever, you have chills, you have the flu, and all this stuff. You know, you could use this plant to calm your cold or the chills and all that stuff. So that's pretty good. I think that's why I think this plant is going throughout the United States. People from the States are starting to look for it. You know, and not only that, it's spreading around the United States and other places. We also know that this plant, it levels down the sugar, and is good for diabetes. Yeah. Okay, so give it a thumbs up. Have you noticed something? Yeah, I started in the daytime, and it is dark. Why? I've been trying to get as much information as I can about corianders, but I haven't been able to. There's not many information. Just the places, how they call it, one name, the other calls another. But I wanted more nutritional stuff, you know, things like that. But anyway, these culantro, they are great. They are so great. They say, from what I was studying, they were saying that a lot of people didn't like it because it stank like, I don't know what. They said it was stinky and this and that. I don't find it stinky. I know a lot of people don't like the taste, is one other thing, you know. Or they like the taste, like my daughter, she likes the taste, but she don't like it exaggerated. But when we cook, she still eat it. You know, so I don't know how far that goes. But anyway, it is a strong taste, but it gives a delicious taste. So that's all I have really about corianders. I haven't been having problems with my camera. That's why I started in the daytime and up in the night. Another thumbs up. Okay. And I keep forgetting. But then another time I will bring another thing. Maybe I'll bring about aloe vera next time. What they, you know, what's their vitamins, their proteins, what they're good for. I know they're good for the hair, for your skin. They also are used in the teeth. They say it whitens your teeth. I'm trying that. So I'm trying to see if it's true or not. Okay, but I know that it's good for your hair. I have tried it in my hair. And on the skin is wonderful too. But the only thing is that, you know, after you use it, it doesn't really taste much. So if you're getting up in the morning and you brush it, you really need to do a second brush, like with the regular toothpaste. That's what I do. With the regular toothpaste, I also scrub it with that. You get double bang, you know, in your teeth. So, saying this, God bless you all. Until next time. I hope you liked it. You know, I'm going to see if I could do... Oh, look how gorgeous this one looks. It is awesome. It looks like, I don't know. You know, oh yeah, the turkey. When they pull out the part in the back, and look, it spreads out like that, and it's all beautiful colors. Then the only thing that's only got white and green and white. That's it. But it's beautiful. Anyway, so saying that, God bless you all until next time. And remember, sub, comment, and hit the bell button. Bye. Bye.